Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by drawing a clear number line and marking equal steps. Choose a scale that fits the numbers you'll use. Place your starting number on the line and say it aloud so you're anchored. Next, decide the operation. Move right to add and left to subtract. This physical direction helps prevent errors. Once done, plan jump sizes, single steps, or larger hops so you won't lose track when you begin counting. You now execute the movement by breaking the total change into chunks that are easy to track. For example, take tens first, then fives, then ones. Make each jump with a clear arrow or curved mark and write the intermediate total above the arrow so you can see progress. Say each interim number as you land on it. This audible check reduces mistakes. If the number is negative, keep moving left and use the same chunking strategy. You finish by confirming the final point. Recount ticks from the original start to the end to ensure the jumps add up. Once done, test your answer quickly by reversing the operation. If you added before, subtract that same amount now, and you should land back at the start. If results disagree, make sure your scale and direction were consistent and retrace each labeled jump slowly. This troubleshooting step catches off by one and scale mistakes before you record the final answer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.